One problem Ashutosh has pointed out. Second, and in continuation with that, I would see that this very random statement that Dalits and downtrodden are more corrupt than the rest is a matter of investigation. Totally unauthenticated, uncritically verified statement is absolutely unacceptable. Second point that I want to make is...
keep it short, please.
Just one more minute. Second point that I want to point is that even if in numbers, Dalits may be larger, because they are larger number in this thing, but look at the quantum of corruption. Look at the size of corruption by the people who are not Dalits. And that will be, I think, 1,000 times more. Again, it's a very important statement.
Fine, you've made your point. Please, there was a gentleman in a blue sweater. Yes, please. I'll come to you in a minute.
My question is to Urvashi.
No, please, take your turn. This gentleman is speaking first.
My question is to Urvashi. My question is to Urvashi. She mentioned about partial Ethiopia. What does she mean by partial Ethiopia? Because Ethiopia is complete, and can you elaborate on this?